This is January 8th, 1996. This is a snowstorm that they're calling the Blizzard of 96, and so far, between yesterday and this morning, this is the morning of January 8th, 1996, about 30 inches of snow has fallen on the ground, and you can see that the cars are almost covered over by snow of our next door neighbors. Nobody's going to work today. It's a Monday morning, and everybody's home. Most of the roads are still covered with snow in places, and the governors of the tri-state areas have called the emergency and have told everybody to stay home. There's drifts of snow in some places 7 feet high, and some wind gusts are 30 to 60 miles an hour. It's still snowing at this time too. You can see this is our backyard, and that swing that's in that tree there, that sits about 30 inches off of the ground, so there's about 30 inches of snow in our backyard. And there's Bill's house over there, my brother Bill's house, and my dad's store. You can see their cars are just about covered over with snow. Bill was out this morning trying to plow my dad's got a snow blower, and he was out there trying to use that to blow the snow away from in front of the store in his car and stuff, and the thing broke. I guess the snow's too heavy now to even blow it with a snow blower. It's a pretty good snow blower, but he said it broke when he tried to use it. Well, we're pretty good here. We got a lot of food and we got fuel and stuff. The only thing is that Myrna's about 8.5 months pregnant, so we're hoping that her baby doesn't want to come soon. She's supposed to have her baby about in a month, 3 weeks or a month, and so we hope it doesn't decide to come any sooner than that, because we can't get anywhere right now. Our car's out in front of our house, and it's covered with snow too, covered over with snow too. I think if I even dug it out, we could go anywhere, because the road's still got all that snow on it too in back of our house, or in front of our house. Those people across the street, they went out sledding. You know, the guy with his 4 daughters, they went out sledding this morning. They went out to play in the snow? Yeah. It's cold out there, and the wind's blowing about, they said 30 to 60 miles an hour some places. 30 inches of snow on the ground.
The wind's blowing like crazy, it's freezing cold, and if you're from around here, you probably hate all this. But if you're not from around here, you may have an entirely different idea, like these people who decided to come out and play in this weather. Where are you from?
And there's our car out in front of our house. I was out there yesterday clearing some of the snow away from it. That's why it's not covered over. But on this side here, it looks like the snow drifted up in front of it. Looks like I could probably shovel some away from the front of it and immobilize it, but the road out there is not plowed, I don't think. No. There's like 30 inches of snow, a couple feet at least, on the street in front, so I don't think we could go anywhere even if I dug it out. Not that we do want to go anywhere, but Hopefully Myrna's baby doesn't want to come today. See, here's the front of our house and what it looks like just out there in the near the car, and you can see over back of the car and in front of that truck behind my car over there out in the street. There's a lot of snow. I don't know how long we're gonna have to wait before we can drive on this road again. I'm not sure when the plow's gonna come by here or anything. You can see the front of my car. The snow drifted up on the front of it. 6 feet high there. It's pretty incredible. This is the worst snowstorm in Pennsylvania's history, I think they said. Or in Philadelphia's history. And it's still falling down. It's supposed to taper off today, the snowfall, but we're still going to have 2 or 3 feet of snow here.
Amazing, really, to look at. There's usually so much traffic, so much hustle bustle going on, so much activity, and today, of course, nothing. The city pretty much.
There's a people across the street from the back of our house. Guy and his little daughters. They're out playing in the snow. Sled riding and stuff. I guess they're trying to get the snow off of their minivan. I don't know if they're trying to do that or just playing. This is now Tuesday, January 9th. I finally wandered out to survey my situation as far as clearing the snow away from my house and my car. And you can see the front of the car is just covered over, and that wasn't even from the plow coming by here. That drift you can see is just from snow that drifted up on top of the front of the car. And the plow came through here last night and pushed snow up against the side. I've been digging out for about a half an hour just on the back of the car there. Still got probably another hour or more work to dig the front of the car free. And this is what the road looks like. My neighbor, he was out yesterday digging himself out. Got a few of his cars dug out. And there was a plow down there at the end of the road pushing snow from one street, from a couple different streets out to that one point. You can see it's piled up about 12 foot high. Well, maybe 10 foot high, I guess. That's my brother Bill back there with that snow blower. It's in the back of the truck. Nice to have one of those machines. Of course, now the snow's packed down. It's even hard for that machine to move it. It's a lot of snow. Those things are made to move 6 inches, maybe a foot of snow, not 2 or 3 feet of it.